Have you ever felt completely lost when trying to speak English? Like your mind knows the words, but your mouth just refuses to say them? If so, you're not alone. Meet Lucy. Lucy is a bright, curious girl who has always wanted to speak fluent English. But there's just one problem: she doesn't know where to start. She's tried reading books, watching shows, even downloading apps, but nothing seems to work. She still stumbles when she speaks, forgets the words mid-sentence, and feels shy in conversations. Can you relate? Well, if you can, stay with me, because in the few minutes I'm going to walk Lucy, and you, through the best-kept secret to improve English quickly. It's something most schools never teach. It's called shadowing, and it just might change your English journey forever. Lucy lives in a small town where not many people speak English. She went to a school where English was just another subject, not a language to actually use. She memorized grammar rules, wrote essays, and passed exams. But when it came to speaking, her confidence would vanish. She would freeze in front of native speakers, struggle to find words, and often give up before finishing her sentence. She felt embarrassed, even though she desperately wanted to sound fluent. One day, Lucy asked a simple but powerful question. Why is my English not improving, even after studying for years? That question is where her journey truly began. Lucy thought learning English meant knowing all the grammar rules, passing exams, and learning new words. But here's the truth. Fluency doesn't come from memorizing. It comes from practicing the right way. Think about it. You didn't learn your native language from textbooks. You listened, you copied, you repeated. That's how your brain truly learns a language. And that's where the concept of shadowing comes in. Now, let's pause and talk about shadowing. What is it? Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to native English audio and immediately repeat what you hear, trying to copy the pronunciation, tone, rhythm, and even the emotion. Imagine you're a shadow, just 1 second behind the person speaking. You're not just repeating words, you're becoming the speaker. Let me show you what I mean. Native speaker: I'm going to the store. Do you want anything? You, immediately after: I'm going to the store. Do you want anything? That's shadowing. You're training your mouth and brain to work together in real time. And trust me, this works like magic. At first, Lucy felt silly, talking to herself in her room, repeating dialogues from movies, but then she gave it a try. She picked her favorite English show, Friends, and chose a scene where Rachel is talking. Lucy listened to one line, paused, and repeated. Rachel: It's like all my life everyone has always told me, you're a shoe. Lucy: It's like all my life everyone has always told me, you're a shoe. She did this for 5 minutes a day, then 10, then 20. And something amazing started happening. Her pronunciation got sharper, her speaking speed increased, her confidence grew. It wasn't perfect, but it was real progress. So why does shadowing work so well? Because it builds muscle memory. Your brain processes the sound, your mouth repeats it, your ears check if it sounds right. It's a full-body experience. It's like training for a sport. You don't just read about tennis, you practice the moves again and again. Shadowing is speaking practice without pressure, and it's one of the fastest ways to sound natural. But shadowing wasn't the only thing Lucy did. She made a full plan, and here's how you can follow it too. 1. Set a daily routine, 30 to 60 minutes. Lucy divided her day into 4 parts. 10 minutes listening to native English, podcasts, YouTube, Netflix. 15 minutes shadowing a short clip. 15 minutes speaking practice, recording herself or speaking with AI apps. 10 to 20 minutes reading out loud, children's books or short articles. 2. Choose content you love. Lucy picked shows she enjoyed, like The Office, Modern Family, and YouTube vlogs. She shadowed native speakers who sounded friendly and natural. You should do the same. Love what you're learning. 3. Record yourself. Lucy started recording her voice. At first she cringed, but over time she heard the difference. She noticed improvement and fixed her mistakes. It became a powerful feedback loop. 4. Speak every day, no excuses. Even if it was just 5 minutes, Lucy spoke every single day, in the shower, while walking, in front of a mirror. She didn't wait for perfection, she just practiced. 5. Create your English world. Lucy changed her phone to English. She wrote her grocery list in English. She spoke to herself in English. Slowly, English became a part of her life, not something outside of it. Lucy also faced many challenges, just like you might. I forget words while speaking. Solution: shadow common phrases. Speak them daily until they're natural. My pronunciation is bad. Solution: choose one sentence, slow it down, and shadow it repeatedly. Focus on intonation and stress. I feel shy speaking. Solution: start alone, build confidence with yourself, then move to speaking with others. Let's do a quick shadowing practice together. Me: it's a beautiful day today. You: it's a beautiful day today. Again. Me: I'd like a cup of coffee, please. You: I'd like a cup of coffee, please. One more. Me: can we meet at 5 o'clock? You: can we meet at 5 o'clock? Great job! See how your mouth starts to flow more smoothly? After 2 months of consistent shadowing and speaking practice, Lucy was a different person. She no longer paused every second. She spoke with rhythm. She understood movies without subtitles. She even made new friends online, English-speaking friends. Most importantly, she wasn't afraid anymore. Lucy didn't just learn English, she became a speaker. Now, dear viewer, it's your turn. Just like Lucy, you might feel lost today, but you are not alone. Start small. Start with 5 minutes. Pick a sentence, shadow it, speak it, repeat it, and never stop. Fluency isn't a gift, it's a habit. So I challenge you, shadow for 30 days. Make English your friend, not your fear. And when you feel like giving up, remember Lucy. She didn't have special talent. She just had the courage to begin. You can do this. Stop struggling, start shadowing, and speak English with confidence, faster than you ever thought possible. If this video helped you even a little, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps others find it too. Leave a comment below and tell me, what sentence are you going to shadow today? I'd love to cheer you on. And if you want more practical tips, powerful techniques, and inspiring stories just like Lucy's, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for spending this time with me. Keep learning, keep believing in yourself, and remember, you're closer to fluency than you think. See you in the next video.